Okay, let's quickly see question number 14. So this is actually lengthy but very easy to answer. So basically in first part it is asking us to plot 10 streets in each direction, 10 in north south and 10 in east west. So that first part is already done. And second part A, it is asking like how many street intersection can be referred to as 4-3. 4-3 means fourth street in north south direction and third street running in east west direction. So there will be only one intersection like that, right? So to answer second part A, only one intersection. Similarly, for B as well, referred to as 3-4 means third street running in north-south direction and fourth street running in east-west direction. This will also be only one intersection. Okay, now coming to question number 15. A computer graphic program displays image on a rectangular screen 800 by 600. Okay, and point A is at 100, 150. Another circular is 250, 230. Okay. To answer part A, whether any part of either circle lies outside the screen. I don't think any part lies outside the screen because the total length is 800 and here it is 250 and the radius is just 100, so it won't lie outside that screen. Similarly, y direction is 600 and the maximum is 230. So yeah, I don't think any part lies outside the circle. No. Circle lies within the screen. Okay, now to answer part 2, whether the two circles intersect each other. Okay, so to answer this part, what we'll do, we will find the distance between point A and B, and if that distance is more than the sum of their radius, that means that these circles will not intersect each other. Okay, so how to find distance between 2 points? We have done it previously, right? So root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So distance between point A and B equals to root of x2 minus x1 square means 250 minus 100 means 150 square. What is 150 square? 15 square is 225, so 22500 plus 230 minus 150, which is 80. 80 square is 6400. Okay, this is equals to 225 plus 64 is 289. Okay, and 289 170. Yeah, so this will be equals to 170, but sum of radius is radius of two circles is 100 plus 100 plus 80, which is equals to 180 units. That means, so this distance is less than the sum of radius, right? So that means circle will intersect each other. Circles will intersect each other. Okay, now finally coming to last question of this exercise. Plot the points A, B, C, D in the coordinate plane is A, B, C, D square. Can you explain why? So yeah, I have plotted this point A, B, C, D on Cartesian plane, A, B, C, D. Now to say if this A, B, C, D is a square or not, we will find the distance between AB, BC, CD and DA, and if all the distances are equal, we can conclude that yes, it is a square, right? So distance AB equals 2. So how to find distance between 2 points? Root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So we have to find distance between AB, so this will be root of x2 minus x1 square minus 1 minus 2 means 3, 9 plus okay, 9 plus y2 minus y1 square, 2 minus 1 1 and square is 1, so this is root of 10. Similarly, we will find distance BC. What is BC? Minus 2 plus 1, which is 1, plus minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and square is 9. Okay, so this is also root 10. Now distance CD. Okay, let's see, CD 1 plus 2 3 square is 9 and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, square is 1, so yeah, this is also root 10 and mostly last one is also root 10. Distance, what is remaining? DA. Let's see DA. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and square is 1 plus minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 and square is 9, so this is also root 10. So since all these distances are equal, we can conclude that ABCD is a square. CD is a square. And what it was, what is the area of this square? So area of square is any of the side length ka whole square. Yes, whole square, right? So it is root 10, so root 10 into root 10 will be 10. Area is 10 units. With this, we have finished all the exercise questions of chapter 1. If you have any doubts, please post in comments. I will try to clarify your doubts. Thank you.